The EnviroKlenz Liquid Laundry Enhancer uses non-toxic earth mineral technology to gently remove even the harshest chemicals and odors from your clothing, without the use of toxic fragrances or additives. When it arrives at your home, remove the cardboard circle to uncover the nozzle. Pull the nozzle forward and align it with the outline on the box. Remove the red safety latch on the nozzle. To dispense the laundry enhancer, push the nozzle handle upward. Use 1/4 cup for a small load or a 1/2 cup for a medium or large load. Add the EnviroKlenz Liquid Laundry Enhancer to your washing machine along with your regular detergent and laundry items. If you have a top-loading washing machine, be sure to fill the tub with water and add the laundry enhancer prior to adding your clothing. For the best results, we recommend using warm water and do not use in combination with bleach or vinegar. To avoid the buildup of product in the nozzle, be sure to wipe it clean periodically. Now that you have added the EnviroKlenz Liquid Laundry Enhancer to your wash day routine, enjoy fresh, odor-free fabrics after every load. Visit EnviroKlenz.com for more laundry tips and how-to videos.